Imagine sending information through beams of light that can travel almost 2 kilometers without losing strength. There is a special Ethernet technology that uses fiber optic cables to make this possible. It helps connect computers over long distances with clear, fast signals. Understanding this technology opens the door to learning how networks can be both powerful and reliable, even when devices are far apart. 10BASE-FL is a type of Ethernet technology used to send data over fiber optic cables. It works at a speed of 10 megabits per second. This means it can move data fast enough for many computer network needs. The FL stands for fiber link, meaning it uses light signals through fiber optics to carry information instead of regular copper wires. Here are some important points to note about 10BASE-FL. 10BASE-FL uses light pulses in fiber optics to send signals. This helps the data travel very far, up to 2 kilometers or about 1.2 miles from one device to another. It often uses a star setup. This means all cables connect to a central hub, making it easier to manage the network. 10BASE-FL can connect two devices directly in a simple point-to-point link without needing a hub. Fiber optic cables are immune to electrical interference, so data stays clear and secure. The network size limit for the whole Ethernet system is 2.5 kilometers, including all cable parts. If the total distance exceeds this limit, a network switch or bridge is needed to split the network into smaller parts. 10BASE-FL replaced older fiber systems like 4L that had shorter ranges. It uses standard fiber connectors called ST or SMA to connect cables. It supports full duplex communication, meaning it can send and receive data at the same time. The fiber optic cables used in 10BASE-FL can be upgraded later for faster Ethernet versions without changing the cables. Here's an example to help you understand better. Imagine an office building. Computers on different floors use 10BASE-FL fiber cables linked to a central switch on each floor. This setup lets the computers talk quickly and clearly without signal loss or interference. Think of 10BASE-FL like a flashlight beam beaming messages through a clear, long tube or fiber optic cable. The light travels far and stays strong, unlike a wire that can get noisy or lose signal if stretched too far. This makes 10BASE-FL very useful for connecting buildings or floors in a secure, fast way over longer distances than copper wires allow.
Simply click the link below to learn more.